One eternity later.
What's going on, guys? Sam Texter. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download PPSPP app on your iOS device. To download the PPSPP app, you don't need any jailbreak or any computer. It works 100%. If you want to know how to download PPSPP app on your iOS device, stick around the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to your setting and you're gonna go to your Wi-Fi and you're gonna click the icon right here, and you're gonna scroll down and click the proxy right here, and make sure you put the proxy on automatic, and make sure you enter this URL. The link will be in the description. Just copy paste it right here and save it. And after you do that, just get out from setting and go to any browser and search up tutubox.io. The link will be in the description. Just click the link and it automatically take you to this page. And after you're on this page, you're gonna click install now. And there's one ad, just ignore that. And you can see there's a lot of options for Tutubox. If the first one doesn't work for you, try the second one. If the second one's not working for you, try the third one. The second one's working for me. Maybe it's not gonna work for you. Try the third one. It may work. Just go and try it. I think it's installing now. It should be installing. You can see it's like so fast to install, and just go there and open it now. The Tutubox right here. It says untrusted developer. If you want to trust the app, all you're gonna do is just go to setting, and you're gonna scroll down, and you're gonna go to general, and you're gonna scroll down one more time. Just wait like 5 seconds, and you're gonna see device management. Click that. Click the first one and trust it. And after you do that, the app is going to work. If you don't do this, the app's not going to work. And let's just go and open it, the Tutubox right here. And you can see the app is right here, all the tweaked apps. Like there's a lot of tweaked apps. If you want to find the PPSPP app, just go to the select sections and go to the Illuminator and scroll down, and you'll find the PPSSPP right here. Just click gate, click install, and it should be installing right now. Yeah, let's just wait for like 30 seconds to finish installing. Not even 30 seconds, like 5 seconds. It's literally so fast to install. Now all you're gonna do is just go there and open it. You can see it's opening. Now you can see I can do wherever I want, and this pretty much how you download the PPSSPP app on your iOS device. It works 100%. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.